I think my whole feeling of this experience has been just a sort of an absorption of the collective and an absorption of the past, but also as a guide toward the future. So I see this whole trip as very fluid, which I guess makes sense because we're in the middle of an island with water. But so it's hard to intellectualize it, but I think there's a real deep sense of peace here, and I feel sort of so many opposite things at the same time, but it's not in a conflicting way, but in a sort of an integrative way. That's kind of intellectualizing, isn't it? But I've loved this trip. It's been super fun, and everybody is been terrific, and I really look forward to coming back and really spending some time in different parts of the island at another point in time. And I really love this trip. It's beautiful. And thank you to everyone.